So, good evening, everyone, and welcome to this live market analysis. Uh, I'm Johnny. I hold the position of financial advisor and technical analysis at Bookshare. We are Monday, July 17, 2023. Uh, it's a small, quiet, and calm week for today. Let's jump to our economic calendar to see what are main the reports for that week. So basically, today we had the one related to the US dollar. I think it was the consumer sentiment or something like that, and it was positive for something for the manufacturing. For tomorrow, we have the retail sales for June and the core retail sales, and both of them are expected to be released positive to the dollar index, and that's my encourage to the XY. On Wednesday, we have the CPI for the pound, and it shows a decrease of 0.5%, and it's not enough just to hit our 2% target. So the Grand Britain it's still far away from the target. So let's be awaited for that one. We have as well the CPI for the euro, and it shows as well a decrease of a 0.6%. We have a report related to the housing sector, and shows a positive report. So that will affect for sure the next CPI of August. We have as well the crude oil inventories, and on Thursday, we have as well the existing home sale. Like usually, when a country raises interest rate, one of the main sector that be affected is the housing sector. So poor people will buy, sorry, will sell their houses because they can't pay more interest rate for the loan, and the rich, the wealthy people will buy them. So we'll be waiting for this report. Let's go to our analysis. We start with the euro dollar index. On the daily time frame, we still like we have a morning star here, but that one it's only a correction from the breakout of the demand zone. So I have two big bullish candle. As I said before, we had the morning star, but till now we don't have like a big bearish move on the euro because he break that zone since year and a half, and till now we will have like another bullish move. So each bearish candle would be a correction. So I would be watching these areas here and that one here on Fibonacci correction, and I will search for uh, buy opportunities on this pair till now, because the euro is still far away from his 2% interest rate, and I think we have another hate strike for the interest rate soon. So for now, this one would be bullish. It's not bearish, and it will hit the if it will hit the 1.1 psychological level again. I will search for a buy opportunity here for sure. On the 4-hour time frame, we will still have a consolidation between these two ranges. So till now, I don't have like any breakout of it, and I will search for an entry when breakouts happen. On the 1-hour time frame, it's the same analysis, even it's respected the 1-hour MA. So till now, this currency or this pair is still it's still bullish. Let's go to the pound yen, GBP, JPY. Okay, let's remove that one first. So on the daily time frame, we might have head and shoulders like that, but it's not a perfect one. So till now, this pair is still bullish due to policy divergence. So it's a difference between the monetary policy adapted by the country. So till now, it's still bullish on daily. And if I might have a head and shoulders on the daily time frame, it would target this area, but we are far away from that scenario now because we have a big resistance supply zone here, so it will make like many rejection before falling down. On 4 hours time frame, we still have these head and shoulders, but if I want to delete that one, it's not a perfect inverted head and shoulders, but it can be drawn like that. It's not perfect. Just I'm drawing all the possible scenarios that we might have. So if this scenario happen, it will target the 183.2 again, and then we'll wait for the rejection. Or if we go to 1 hour time frame, we will have another uh, head and shoulders on these zones here. So these are the possible scenarios on this way. But till now, I think that pair will wait for the CPI on Wednesday, and after the number released, we might see the big volume. Because if you can clearly check, we have like big bullish candle followed by another big bearish candle, then another bullish, and another bearish. So this the price is stuck between 182 and 180.5 or 180. Yeah, that's 180.5. So it's a kind of ranging market till now. So the breakout of any of these levels will determinate the following scenario. So I have two possible scenario: even a rise and the daily candle closes before the 182 support psychological level, and then we will continue moving up, or we will have a close below the daily close below the 180.5, and then we will have a bearish scenario, and we will have the head and shoulders. Let's go to the USD CAD. So as well, let's go to the daily time frame. We have our bearish trend line here, and it's clearly, you can clearly see that the price is falling. So if we go to 4 hours time frame, we had the small head and shoulders, and then it hits the target 100%. Then that one here, it's a correction, and if we go to Fibonacci, it's still now it's around the 50 Fibonacci retrace. It's between 32 and 80. But if we took it from here, let me check. Yeah, like from here it's 61.8 for sure. So the 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 correction was on Fibonacci level, and then the price continues to fall until now. I can, like, the two possible scenarios would be like, my favorite scenario will be a fall towards these zones here, the 1.312 line. So that's my first scenario. Until now, I have a big bearish candle. It respected the 4 hour EMA here, and then it's continued to fall. My second scenario will be a retest of the demand zone here, and then it will continue to fall. Or it might retest, but that's a very far scenario. It will retest the trend line and then fall back. Like for now, this is what I can see on this pair. But if the retail sales on uh, release that will be released tomorrow comes like very positive for the DXY, this might target like the areas here. So this is for the USD Canadian. Let's go to the gold. We were live on Friday when the report was released, and if you remember, I said like we have a very bearish move. We had like a triple top on the 1 hour candle and on the 4 hour candle, and it will target the 140 area soon. But what happened is that today it fall till the 1 hour daily, sorry, on the daily EMA 50. It hit it on the point, like it's clearly hit it, and then it pulled back up. So for me, the two possible scenarios would be a fall towards the one, sorry, a fall towards the 1940 and then a pullback up, or a rise to the 1967 or 1968, and then it will be there a sell opportunity with my stop loss for sure, because like no one knows what gonna happen. So we had a break of the triple top on the 4 hour candle as well on the 1 hour candle. It respected the daily EMA, and now it's will going up. So if the moves will be more bearish, it will respect here this zone on the 1955 before falling back again. Let's go to the Dow Jones to see what's happening. So on the daily time frame, I have here my demand zone. Yeah, I have here my demand zone, and I have something similar to a triple top, but till now it's not 100% triple top. So as I said before, it was a double top, it didn't break. So now I have something uh, similar to a triple top. So if that candle here on daily time frame closes above this area here, it will target new high areas for sure. But till now, I can see a consolidation. I can see a ranging market between the 33,700 and the 34,600. So this area, the price it's stuck in this area until now. There's no breakout of none of them. But once a candle, daily candle, closes above or below one of these area, so the price will even go higher with like 400, 500 pips, or it will fall and break the support and the trend line, and we might have another bearish scenario. So on 1 hour time frame, it's similar to a double top or even a triple top. So it's the same scenario and on all the time frames. So for me, here was a sell opportunity, or it will be here. And if the price will fall again, so these areas will be my buy opportunities. Let's go to the oil. So we on daily time frame, we had our trend line. It can be drawn on the 4 hours MA. It's better. So we had our trend line, and then without like any news or anything, we had the shadow it went up to 75.95, and then it the candle closes below the trend line, and then I don't see a break of the trend line yet. But the possible scenarios here on the WTI will be a retest of these areas here as shown, and then a rise towards the 78, or I will have a retest of the 72.2 areas and then going back up. So this commodity uh, is moves, like, if you want, moves by the news. So it is very technical, but as well it's very politics. So till now, I don't know what we can see, but till now for me it's still bullish. It's not bearish because the daily candle before closes above the range. Until now, I think we are in correction move. Like, if I want to check with Fibonacci these levels, I can check that we are till now in a correction move. So I will wait for the closing of this daily candle, and then I will search for my opportunities. The first one will be a buy from here, and the other one would be maybe a sell from this. It's not a single, it's not the signals, it's only uh, analysis. We will go to our last one, and it will be the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq, what happened on the Nasdaq here, it's a demand zone, it's a demand zone. So sorry, if I go back on the weekly time frame, I can check like this zone. I have many shadows on it, and then now he respected it again. I will go to the daily time frame to check. Yeah, it respected again. I don't see a close above this area. On the daily time frame, this index is still bullish. Like, as you can clearly see, my trend line will be definitely like that. It's still far, 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 far away from it. Every correction move will be an opportunity to buy. Like, now someone will ask, like, I have something here similar to a morning star. The morning star happens usually on strong keys or strong level, but that one here is strong, but it's not enough. So if the morning star was here on these levels, the price would fall immediately. But till now, the US economy is showing a strong consolidation among the interest rate, and all the reports are very positive for the US. And later on, and with the earning release that we saw the last week, and we will see this week, and the one and the week after, related to Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and all these big innovation technology companies, I think we might see a break of these levels very soon. But technically speaking, the highest price tended by the Nasdaq was 1660.40. Yeah, so 16,640. So it's 100 pips from now. I know it's a big number, but we might have like another top here before the price start to fall. But there's nothing clear till now. Till now, all I can see is that every correction is a opportunity to buy. So it's the same analysis on 1 hour, and it's the same analysis on the 4 hours time frame. So that's it for today. So I was Johnny. I hold the position of the financial advisor and tactical analysis at Oakshare. Thanks for attending. We will see you on next Wednesday. But before I finish, I want to go to our website with you and to check that we have some seminars and webinars that will start this week. So we have the basics of trading in Arabic. We have the risk management on July 20. Then we have an introduction to the financial market on July 31st. We have a session with me about the fundamental analysis on Friday, this Friday, July 21st at 5 p.m. offline in our office. Please contact us if you want more details. We have as well our course that will start at the first of the next month, in August 1st, and the 3, 8, and 10. We will we will teach, if you want, the basics of trading. And you have another like seminars and webinars related to our forex topics. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being there. We'll see you very soon. We'll catch up soon.